Hey guys, I made $1,200 today trading Costco. So let's go into the chart so I can show you guys pretty much how I did this. Okay, just by looking at the daily time frame, you can tell this is all bearish momentum. So I'm going to be looking for a short in the market. Okay, let me take this out. Okay, so if we go to the 4 hour time frame, we don't see enough information here to make a decision. So we keep going lower till we can find something good. So the 2 hour is a lot better. Well, I want to go to the 1 hour because I prefer to take all my trades on the 1 hour. Okay, so as you guys can see, right, the market is trading towards the downside. I mean, this is pretty easy. So we can go from here. So we have this lower high, small pushback down, lower, lower high again, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we're expecting another low high and a low low. But that's not what the market is giving us so far. But so the trade that I took happened in here. So this is a high. This is a 2 hour high, as you guys can see over here. And all I pretty much do is just go from the high to the low. Okay, and plus I also want to be able to tell what the candles is also doing as well. So just by looking at this, you know we're bearish, right? So how do I take the trade? The best way I personally take the trade is like I want to see what the market is telling me. So for example, you can tell when this market was shorting over here, you can see how bigger the candle is. So more sellers were stepping into the market. As you guys can see, as market pushing down, the sellers kept dying and dying. So for example, this one bullish candle over here took out this 4 candles of momentum to the downside right here. All this candle right here was taken away all by just one bullish candle. This one right here. Look at that. This one bullish candle took out 4 previous selling candles. So you can tell there's a lot of buyers. A lot of buyers came in exactly in this candle right here, okay? And what happened? The candle kept getting bigger and bigger. So as you guys can see bullish candle, bullish, bullish, rubbish, bullish, 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 bullish. And all of a sudden something changed in here. So if we go down to the 30-minute, right? So the best entry would have been right here. So as you can see, this is the first bullish, this is last bullish candle. This first bearish candle takes out this low. So this is the first bearish candle, and we have the second bearish candle and the third bearish candle, okay? So entry would be right here. After the second break, so first break, second break, right there. Stop loss at the high always, and we're targeting this overall. We're targeting this overall low over here. So on this one, I didn't get in exactly that. I got some slip as well. So down to 13. Yeah, right there. And this was actually quite tricky because I was managing my risk properly. So on this one, after this huge spike down here, right, I didn't want the market to buy it back up with small bearish candles. For example, look over here. So after you get a huge move like this, you definitely don't want the market to buy back up. So I started trading myself aggressively. So my stop went from over there to right there. So on this one, what I did was I went back to the 1 hour and I just started trailing. So my stop was right here. My stop was right here. Okay, so stop was right here. I moved it all the way down here since we had this huge bearish candle. As the market kept dumping down, you can kind of tell momentum is down here. Look how smaller the candles were getting after this huge move. Okay, so what I did is I moved my stop all the way over here on this candle, and I got stopped out for about $1,200 on this trade. As you guys can see, this was my stop right here, and I was pretty much just trading aggressively because I didn't want to give back too much profit after a huge dump like this. Exactly when getting to the position, so I didn't want to let the market just buy back up. So because the market likes to do that. And as you just got out there for a $1,200 trade, honestly, I wanted to catch this whole move because if I had caught this would have been risked 1,000. I would have made $30,000 on this trade. I mean, that's a huge deal. I mean, who doesn't want to make $3,000, almost $3,500? So that's why it was important to me. But you know, I didn't make that. That's not what happened over here. You put your stuff right here. We're gonna calculate. Yeah, you see $1,200. And don't worry, you're also going to see the live proof on the screen as well. So, but I mean, this is pretty much it. Just pretty much using the easy method, you know, from the high to the low, retracement, and you short the market all the way back down to the lows. That was it. That's how I made $1,200. So please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.